What's up, everybody? This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. So we got some controversy out there with the Galaxy S20s, mainly the camera. Samsung's biggest selling points is the camera, and the Galaxy S20 Ultra has that 100 times zoom, the camera setup of a lifetime. And a lot of people is having issues with poor focusing with the Galaxy S20 Ultra. Now I've seen the Galaxy S20 Ultra having some focus hunting and some focus issues with that device. Now, we've heard that Samsung is going to send out some updates to fix that device. But I got the Galaxy S20 Plus. Do this device have focusing issues? Let's go on and find out in this video. So sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So I got the Galaxy S20 Plus, and we've been hearing a lot of focus issues on the Galaxy S20 Ultra, but on the Galaxy S20 Plus, I'm not seeing any focusing issues. So let's go on and let's do some focusing here on this device. All right, so as you can see, I focus really close here on the lens. As you can see, it's all in focus. But if you notice in the background, it's blurred out. That's what it's supposed to do because the main focus is the lens. Now, if I go to my candid camera, as you can see, it went strictly into focus really fast. And if I go to my lens, boom, there it is. It goes focus really fast. And if I go to my robot, again, focus fast. So let's do this again. Right here, focus really fast. Here, focus really fast. And another camera I have over here, focus really fast. So as you can see, no problems with focusing with the Galaxy S20 Plus. Now, there's a thing that you call tap to focus. So right now, I'm tapping the focus on everything. So if I tap the focus, there it goes. And it's tapping the focus on everything. And it's focusing on everything that I want to focus on. Now, here's the thing. Even though I tap the focus there, if I go down here, it's out of focus. Because right now, I'm using manual focus. So when you tap the focus and now you see that this is out of focus, it's because I'm using manual focus. So if I tap, now it's in focus. So I think some people are having some issues that they may be tapping the screen or maybe some issues. But yes, as far as autofocus, the Galaxy S20 Ultras are having those problems as far as focusing. But right now I'm doing manual focus on everything. And a couple of things that we're going to do in this test. I want to show you guys that I'm not really having a problem on the Plus. I know a lot of people was having problems on the Ultra, but let's go and do a focus test. Here's my hand. As you can see, the background is blurred out and the focus is on my hand. And when I move my hand back, there it is. The focus is really fast on the Plus, guys. Now, I haven't received any updates. But I want to show you guys that I didn't have and I don't have any problems with the Galaxy S20 Plus as far as focusing. I know a lot of people was having problems with focusing on the Ultras, and I've seen that on the Ultra also, that I've seen focusing issues on the Ultra. But as you can see, as I moved into the tree, it focused really good here. I mean, if you can see here, it's focusing really good. And if you go down here, it focused and it focused back on the tree. Now I'm going to go to the side here and I want y'all guys to see this. As you can see, the trees is in focus. The other tree is out of focus. That's the point. The phone right now is focused on this tree instead of the outer tree. So you do want to see this tree in focus instead of that tree. But if I tap the screen, now that tree is in focus. And this tree should be going out of focus. So when I tap the focus here, as I just did, that tree is out of focus. This tree is in focus. And if I go out and I slide all the way here, and you go see that tree is going to get in focus. And this tree is going to get in focus. So the focus is no problems on the Plus. Again, I know some of the issues with the Ultra, but we're not having no issues out of the Plus. As you can see, it's focusing on my hand, and when I take it away, it focuses on the tree. All right, guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. And I'm not having any focusing issues out of the Galaxy S20 Plus, but I did see some of the issues out of the Galaxy S20 Ultra having some focusing issues. Now, we heard Samsung is going to send out some updates to fix these devices. But as of me recording this video, I have not received any updates of the Galaxy S20 Plus. But Samsung is going to probably send some updates to fix some of these issues. Now, I think a lot of users out there that are using auto mode and automatically triggers off tap to focus. Now, once you hit tap to focus, it focuses on the item or the object that you're trying to focus on, and everything else is going to be blurred out or it's going to be out of focus. So let's recap. If you're recording in auto mode and you make a mistake and tap the screen, the device will automatically assume that you're doing what's called tap to focus. If you tap the screen, it will focus on the object that you tapped on, and everything else will be out of focus or blurred out. If you go into Pro mode, you can manually focus on anything that you want with the Galaxy S devices. So you do have two choices. You can use auto mode, but if you make a mistake and tap the screen, it would be out of focus. But if you go to manual mode, you could tap the focus, or you could go manual focus and you could focus on the object at hand. So I hope this clarified that the Galaxy S20 Plus does not have those issues with poor focusing as the Galaxy S20 Ultras are having. This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the Galaxy S20 devices in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace.